you all. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about 6 salicylic acid products and how you can use them to treat your acne and pimples. All of these 6 products are by the Dermaco. I usually use salicylic acid based products only by the Dermaco because it's a very trusted brand and their products are really effective and safe to use, and also they disclose the percentage of active ingredients in their products, which is the best part. And before I show you all of these products and their uses, I just want to mention that I recently attended Dermaco masterclass where I learned a lot of things about active ingredients, especially salicylic acid, and how it works on acne and pimples. So if you get a chance to attend this masterclass, definitely do it because it's very insightful and very informational. With all that being said, let me quickly show you all of the products that I'm going to be talking about. So the first one is this 1% salicylic acid gel face wash. Then we have this 2% salicylic acid face serum. Next up is this 2% salicylic acid spot treatment gel. Then we have 2% salicylic acid clay face mask. Next is 1% salicylic acid oil-free moisturizer. And the last product is MicroTip salicylic acid patches. So let me start off with the first product. This is the Dermaco 1% salicylic acid gel face wash. Now this is great for active acne, and even if you don't have active acne, you can still use this as a measure to prevent future acne. Salicylic acid is a very powerful ingredient to deal with acne, but you have to slowly and gradually introduce it to your skin before you can start using it regularly on your skin. So this face wash is a great way to introduce salicylic acid on your skin because it's a wash off product. And it only contains 1% of salicylic acid, which is a very mild quantity, and by using this your skin is gonna start getting used to salicylic acid before you can move on to other leave-on products or more percentage of salicylic acid. The salicylic acid in this face wash helps to unclog your pores by removing all of the acne causing bacteria, dirt and excessive sebum from your pores, thereby allowing your pores to breathe. It helps to get rid of current acne, and it also helps to prevent any future acne that you might get. So this is a great way of starting off with a salicylic acid face wash. This is a great face wash for acne prone skin. The second product that I have is this 2% salicylic acid face serum by the Dermaco. Now this contains 2% of salicylic acid, which is a slightly higher concentration of salicylic acid than the face wash. So I recommend you start using the face wash first, let your skin get used to salicylic acid, and then move on to this face serum. I have been using this face serum in my skincare regime every single time that I have a lot of acne situation going on, and it helps to deal with my acne in just 3 to 5 days maximum. So how I like to use this is that I just take 2 drops of this and apply it on both of my cheeks. My cheeks is the area wherein I break out the most, so I apply this all over my cheeks. Sometimes I also break out on my forehead, so that's when I also use this on my forehead. And you've got to use it just once a day. You can either use it during the daytime or the night time, however you prefer. And the serum step comes right after using a face wash. So first you want to use a face wash and then move on to the serum, and then you can use a moisturizer. But you don't necessarily have to use a salicylic acid face wash. You can use any other face wash. There's another hack that I use the serum for. So after removing all of my blackheads and whiteheads with a nose strip, I use a salicylic acid serum on my nose and I apply it every single day on my nose for about a week, and the blackheads and whiteheads do not come back until I'm using the serum. So that is how you can avoid blackheads and whiteheads with the help of the salicylic acid serum. The third product that I have is this 2% salicylic acid spot correcting gel. Now this is also meant for active acne, and this is very similar to the salicylic acid face serum that I just spoke about, but this is a spot correcting gel. So you only have to apply it on your pimple, on your acne, and not like on your entire cheeks and not on your entire forehead like how I use the serum. So you only want to use it as a spot treatment on your current acne, and it helps to deal with your acne situation in 2 to 4 days maximum. This contains 2% of salicylic acid and 3% of sulfur, which are both amazing to get rid of acne. Now I recommend using this only during the night time rather than the daytime because it's more convenient that way. So you can use a face wash first, apply the spot treatment gel, and then top it off with a moisturizer, and you'll be good to go. The fourth salicylic acid product that I have is this 2% salicylic acid clay face mask by the Dermaco. Now this contains 2% of salicylic acid along with activated charcoal and kaolin clay, which are both great for oily skin. It's a clay based face mask, so it's going to help to control excessive oiliness, control your sebum production, and at the same time it's going to help to clarify your pores and bring out an amazing glow on your skin. So if you have acne prone skin, this might be an amazing face mask to try out. It's a great product to be used in this festive season when you want your skin to look clean, clear and glowing, and I recommend using this once every single week or maximum twice a week, but not more than that, because that's just how much you should limit a clay mask to. Also, if you have dry skin, I would recommend you stay away from this, because this not just contains salicylic acid, which might dry out your skin a little bit, but it also contains kaolin clay and charcoal and everything, which are slightly drying for dry skin type. But if you have oily skin, combination skin, acne prone skin, normal skin, this is going to suit your skin really well. The fifth product that I have is this 1% salicylic acid oil free moisturizer by the Dermaco. Now again, it's a beginner friendly product, something that you can use when you're just introducing salicylic acid to your skincare regime. So you might want to start off with the face wash, continue using it for a couple of days, and then start incorporating this oil free moisturizer in your regime before you can begin with using the serum. So this is a great oil free moisturizer. It's non-sticky, it's lightweight, and it absorbs very fast by your skin. Also, it contains just 1% of salicylic acid, so the concentration of salicylic acid is quite low, which makes it perfect to be used in your daily regime, and you can use this either during the daytime, nighttime, or both times. So you want to use a face wash first, follow it up with a serum, and then use this oil free moisturizer. And don't forget to top it off with a sunscreen. A sunscreen is a must if you're using any of these products, because all of these products contain an active ingredient. Salicylic acid is an active ingredient, and all active ingredients can make your skin a little sensitive to the sun. So you always want to wear sunscreen during the daytime, especially if you're using active ingredients in your skincare regime. And the sixth and the last product that I have is this MicroTip salicylic acid patches. So this pack contains 24 patches, and they're all waterproof, and they're made up of breathable material, so they're not going to clog your pores, and they are ideally supposed to be used during the night time. So you want to take one patch and apply it on your active acne and leave it on overnight for up to 6 to 8 hours, and in the morning you can remove it off and continue with your regular regime. And this is supposed to be the last and the final step in your skincare regime. So at night, after you're done with applying all of your products, after you're done with applying your moisturizer even, that's when you're supposed to take one patch and then just put it on the active acne and then leave it there overnight. And in the morning, you will see a visible difference on your acne or pimple. It takes up to 3 or 4 days maximum to treat acne and pimples with the help of these patches. That's what I have experienced. So yeah, that was my video on 6 salicylic acid products by the Dermaco and how to use them to deal with acne and pimples. I hope this video was informational for you all, and if you found it helpful, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what other videos would you like to see. I would love to educate you guys more on this, because I have taken up Dermaco's masterclass. I know a lot of things about skincare now, all because of the masterclass. So I would love to share my knowledge, my learnings with you guys as well, so that you can also use them and incorporate them in your skincare regime. So yeah, that was about today's video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.